What is this room? Looks like it's been sealed shut. Crazy, it's above where we just was. So hopefully this will help a little bit. Also got my other torch out. But we're into some... It's been a rave up here, mate.
What? Bringing a lot. On top of that, I've been singing a lot. I'm killing the drop and I've been feeling to say it how it is. Let's go. Yeah. 20 years of rapping when I feel the vibe. Let's go. If I'm feeling right, then you know I'm gonna let go. Couldn't give up.
I just realised that because my phone was in this gimbal slightly to the side, you could see part of the actual gimbal in the shot.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't even realise. So hopefully it hasn't been ruining all my shots, but hopefully it will stabilise it like this. Seems to be alright.
Yeah, I'll let go. Bringing out the best flow. Ready, steady, set, go. Let's go. 20 years of rapping when I feel the vibe. Let's go. If I'm feeling right, then you know I'm gonna let go. Couldn't give up. Yeah, I'll let go. Bringing out the best flow. Ready, steady, set, go. Let's go.
That's cool, right? Yeah, I'll definitely do that one now with that.
Yes, YouTube. So we're going for a little explore around Digbeth today. Unfortunately, my phone has just cut out again and died again, so I don't know how well it's going to last or if it's even going to work, but I'm going to stop recording this. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth.
I think this place is abandoned.
Yeah, it does look abandoned. We just climbed down that ladder and this ladder. Alright, we have our torches on the ready. We're about to walk into darkness. You can probably see further on ahead of us. It's just complete darkness, so this could be fun, you know.
Anything that's wet is what's crazy.
It is crazy, Sippy, yeah. It's like the green algae that gets settled on it. Wow, that's cool looking. Shame it's in the dark, but I like it.
Go.
I need to charge my torch, so I need to probably get my other torch out, you know. I like the mushrooms. Is that ducks? You alright? Nearly slipped in.
Pardon? Can you hold that just for a second? It is running, so if you want to do something.
See part of the actual gimbal in the shot.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't even realise. quite heavy. My phone's quite that's funny. My phone's quite heavy when it's like fully extended on this. Whoa, you nearly went in then, mate. Sheesh. Yeah.
Oh yeah, this one here.
Yeah.
When the fucking thing goes to the map pipe. Yeah, there one. Hole in the wall.
Looks better in real life than it does on camera, but the old photon collector is doing a good job.
Movement, does it say move? Generation. Yeah. It's like a JFK memorial, like a mosaic.
In the UK?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Right. Just literally the other side of that.
So you're right.
What are they doing up
Don't know, but that's an abandoned building straight ahead.
there? Yeah, that's one I want to check out.
Oh, right.
I think there might be like a ladder up to it.
Ah, okay, yeah.
I'll show you this on the top side in a minute,
Yeah, yeah.
and you'll see.
You're gonna get your drone out?
No.
All right.
I should have. I could have flown it up here.
Yeah.
That would be a real cool shot. That's whipping it.
That's still warm. I can feel the heat coming out of it. Yeah. See, it's smoking there, look.
You can do it, mate.
How did we get in here? Well, YouTube, it was sketchy as hell. I think Stu might have filmed it, but I didn't film it. But that's how we got in here. Yeah, I like that. We climbed up out of the little river bit into this part of a building that says, "How the fuck did you get in here?" It's just full of trash. And now we're trying to see where we can get to. So stay tuned. Looks like we've done it again. I don't know how we always manage to do it, but we end up getting into places, and unfortunately I might have to get my other torch out if this is no good. But this might have to do for now, it's not fully charged. Promotional stock for Tesco. How big is it?
Too big through there. There's a load of like energy drinks.
Oh, is there? Yeah, can you show us with your light? 'Cause I ain't got any, I ain't got a very bright light. Is it, are we in part of Tesco? Oh, is there another part? Right, YouTube, I've got my head torch out now. So hopefully this will help a little bit. Also got my other torch out. But we're into some, we just climbed up straight into this big building. Stu and Gilbert kind of walked ahead. So I think what I was filming didn't work because my phone's been playing up all day. So I'm just going to go back and show you exactly where we are and what we found. So we found a bunch of batteries. We found a pallet of stock. A load of like, I don't even know what this is. More batteries. It's like a refrigeration unit, Coca-Cola unit, pallets of boxes. The lads have come this way, which is going to be a pain for me to get through. Oh my god. Wow. And the lads have already walked off, so obviously it's just me. I'm on hand camera, I don't have my phone stick, which I do have it, it's just in my bag, and we're kind of rushing, and obviously these guys have already rushed off without me, as I say. I'm like, can we just chill and wait? Take our time to enjoy the carbon filters that I've just found. Cabin filters. Completely trashed. Pretty cool looking place though. I mean, there's a lot of like these pillars everywhere. That looks like it goes towards the outside somewhere. And honestly, yeah, urban exploration is just so cool. Like, if you're wondering why I'm doing it, it's just so interesting. Wow. Plates and dishes. Oh, does anyone need a kilt? Look.
Should you do some damage there? What oranges is on will be sweet.
Is this an old light club? Is he up here? Oh yeah. Yo. Right, this is mad. Party! It's been a rave up here, mate. This is like an illegal underground rave. You know what I mean? Like, look, sofas. Gilbert just found Gilbert just found this. Oh my god, mate. Sheesh, look at it all. What? Mate, that's insane, isn't it? Look at the old briefcases as well. What's that about?
This place is crazy.
Oh, yeah, I see. Okay. Nightmare. Do you want to explore the floor or? Yeah, go on then. Whoa.
Man, that's creepy.
Oh wow. What is this room? Looks like it's been sealed shut. Crazy. It's above where we just was. Whoa.
Man, that's creepy.
On the way here, I saw that skeng. Oh my god. Oh.
That's leaves.
Why do we always find it too late?
Yeah. Look, there's all the old leaves. Come on, it's not nice. Down the road.
So people, you know where people grow their weed, yeah? Anywhere abandoned. So when you're doing your urbex, you do have to be careful because you never know what you're going to find. And you never know what state you're going to find it in. Imagine if we found this. There's a bed at the end down there. I think I found where someone has been living. Absolutely stinks of human presence. Absolutely stanking the place out. Yeah, unreal what we've just found. There's another RAVE GROW. Oh my days, blood. Sorry YouTube, I'm on hand camera special. I've got a power bank that I'm holding in my hand. Thanks to Stu lending me a power bank to keep me being able to film. So yeah, sorry about any shaky camera work.
We need to go back. People like battery.
This place is big. We do find some really big spots in Brum. It's mental. Is that a miniature lift? Yo, that's sketch.
What it is? Some kind of bother.
There's the window that I was at earlier, somewhere over there. Nah, don't think so. Unless you go outside, it's down there somewhere. Holy shit, it is bad up
Yeah,
here.
water damage is the worst thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
We could have it overhead as well.
Yeah, most likely. It doesn't look very good. It's been worse as well. They've got things to walk on. I thought I heard somebody behind us. Yo. Yo. Show me that, Gilbert.
Water tank.
The motor for the lift, that is. Ancient lift, the Express Motor Company.
Quite a few of the buildings over there.
just went into a basement. Unfortunately, I had to clear some room on my phone, so I was unable to record it, but Stu did record it, so you'll have to look on Stu's YouTube.